So hey guys, I'm back and I'm going to be opening up these squishy packages. I did order them decorated, but not like this or like that. So let's get on into this. So I have to be like, I can't scream because, or talk like how I talk in my usually videos because my brother's sleeping in that room. But let's just see the note. This is the note. It's the package. It says to cat. I'm not a cat. So I opened it and it says it's dirty. This is dirty, but it's fine. It says no refunds. Thank you for purchasing. I think she made homemade squishies because look at that. It is dirty. So, and it says thank you for purchasing. And it says happy birthday. It's not my birthday, okay? So, back to the slide. And now let's open it up. First squishy of the day. Oops. Close that. I got this toy phone that works. Quiet. Shut up. Okay. On to our next squishy. These two are extras because they're like small toy phones. This is like the extra box. That's the real squishies. So let's get the squishies. Oh my god, I'm making so much noise now. There. Done. Okay, so here it is. This squishy. See if it's really squishy. I got this scented one. It was supposed to be a cake and scented, so let's just squish it. That is super duper slow rising. I can't stop squishing it. They put tape on it. But it's fine, so let's open up the second one. So there might not be like a note in here because that was the note. Because that over there was the note. And in here there's gonna be no note. So if you guys just were wondering, so you guys get the first sneak peek. Now let me go. I could smell something. I'm gonna put that back because I don't want that. Just put it on the bottom. Okay. Cover the top. Okay, this is another extra. Are all these extras because this I did not order a Smurf. Are you serious? So put it in the extra pile. This wasn't like an extra. I kind of did pay for it. You guys are going to get a close-up of this because you really need to see this. Look how slow rising this is. Not really, but it's super squishy. I'm putting this over here on the pile where no lies. So let's get another one. Careful. Sorry you guys are looking at this. Oh my god, I got my football / soccer ball. It feels so soft. And at the end of the day, I'm going to be getting these out of the package. And ouch, it's already like opened. It's fine. Shit. That's super slow rising. Just get a close-up of it. Slow rising. If you guys don't like this like zoom in thing, I'm sorry. I don't know how to do this. Okay. I did pay for that. I'm trying so hard not to knock this down. I'm like digging in here. Oops, I got two things, but I'm around here. I got this car, which is an extra. All those are an extras, except that note. Oops, I dropped it. Yes, finally! I got a character. I always wanted one of these characters from Alice in Wonderland, and I got it. I can't stand it up, so I'm just like doing it like that. So, yeah. Now for two more squishies. Or extras. I got this car. It's like this shark car. Oops. It's like a shark car. Teeth and all that. I'm sorry if you guys can't focus, but focus. Okay. And now for last squishy. It fell again! Okay, there, finally it's closed. Okay, I got these two squishies. Baseball. Football. Okay, it's time for you guys were waiting for. To get these squishies out. Yeah, these squishies are from Instagram. I forgot her name. She gave me pals, but this is from Instagram, so I recommend don't buy for her unless you want to get like scammed. Like this. I got scammed right now. This might be a spoof or not, but who knows? So let's just get this out of the package. It's so soft. Okay, let's get a zoom up in here. Yeah. We're just gonna see if it has any defects or something like that. Camera, focus! Just focus like that. Okay. This has defects. Okay, wait. So it feels so sad. And tomorrow might be my video wherein I make this, do the experiments, like put this inside for an hour or two and make it super squishy. So that's that one. Now for this one. This doesn't have a packaging. This is already in its packaging. But I don't want to ruin it, so this is the baseball. So soft and squishy. And then the last one, I am receiving one from eBay, but it's from China, so it's gonna come in November. So yeah, get out the bag. Okay, there it is. And aren't you supposed to have like this thing right here? Wait, just let the camera focus right now. It doesn't have that thing, and it's not even slow rising. But it does have defects. It's fine. It's like one of those sticky ones. It's super sticky. Ew. So that was the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!